Cameras, they looks the same, but price much different. Today we are going to take them apart and find out. Remove the bracket cover first. Front rear shell is opening. Another one with silk screened glass. Remove the screws and open the shells. Let's see how their front glass sealing. Nothing on the left, screw structure on the right. Look carefully, found it, just use glue to seal the glass. Doubt if it can withstand high pressure water gun rinse or not. For trucks use, its durability will be a challenge. Another one uses the screws compacted structure. It's a square-shaped aluminum block. The glass is pressed under there, pull it out. It's wrapped in a silicone seal. Take it off and see, the groove-shaped design covers the glass. Also made a circle of waterproof structure below. Experienced, cleverly designed. Parts with superior materials. Which one do you think is more reliable and durable? Okay, that's all for this sharing. Thanks for watching.